Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. So last class we revised chapter 1, right? So again we are going to revise chapter 1. Now you are going to copy this in your notebook. Now whatever I am teaching now, you are going to copy this in your notebook and you have to show it to me after the school reopens. Yes? Take your notebook, copy this. First one, complete the following. Complete the following. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete the following. T-H-E-D-F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. First one, 1001, 1001, 1002, 1003. Now tell me after this what number will come? After 1003, 1003. Yes, 1004. Now write 1004 there. So 1004. Then what number? Yes, superb. 1005. So 1005. Then 1006. 1006. 1006. 1007. 1007. First one, 1001. 1002, 1003, after that 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007. Very good. Second one, 7056, 7056, 7057, 7057, 7058, 7058. Now tell me children, what number will come after 7058? Yes, very good. 7059. So write in the box 7059. 7059. 7059. Then what number? 7060. You're going to add 1 to the number, right? So 7060. 7060. Very good. Then 7061. 7061. Then 7062. Very good. 7062. 7056. 7057. 7058. 7059. 7060, 7061, 7062. Third one, 9788. Now tell me what number will come after this? Yes, 9789. 9789. 9789. Then 9790. 9790. 9790. Then what number will come? What comes next? 9791. 9791. Then 9792. 9792. Then what number will come? 9793. 9793. 9793. Have you all copied this, children? Yes? Shall we move on to the next one? Observe the blocks and write the number they represent. Observe the blocks and write the number they represent. See the blocks and you're going to write the number. Shall we? Yes. Now see how many thousand blocks we have. How many thousands? 1000, right? How many hundreds blocks? We have count the hundreds blocks now. 1, 2, 3. Then how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how many ones? 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number it is? 1354. 1354. Second one. See how many thousands blocks we have? 3. So 3 in the thousands place. Then how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 in the hundreds place, right? Then how many tens? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. Then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number it represents? 3535. What number it represents? 3535. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Third one. Draw beads to represent the following numbers. Draw beads to represent the following numbers on the abacus. To represent the following numbers on the abacus. Number has been given. You are going to represent that number on the abacus. Shall we? Yes. So first one, 1064. 1064. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what? 4 in the ones place. Shall we place 4 beads in the ones place? So draw 4 beads now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So have you all drawn 4 beads in the ones place? Yes, very good. Then 6 in the tens place. So how many beads you will draw now? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Have you all drawn? Superb. So 6. Then 0 in the hundreds place. So no need to draw any beads. Then 1 in the thousands place. So draw only 1 bead. 1. Have you all drawn the beads? Yes. Second, shall we move on to the next one? Yes. 4, 5, 7, 6. 4, 5, 7, 6. Now we are going to draw beads. Shall we? Shall we represent this number on the abacus? 6 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place and 4 in the thousands place. Now how many beads you will place on the, you will draw on the ones place? 6. Very good. Shall we draw? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads on the ones place. Next, 7 in the tens place. So how many beads? 7 beads. Draw 7 beads now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Then 5 in the hundreds place. So how many beads? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads in the hundreds place. Then 4 in the thousands place. So draw 4 beads in the thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads in the thousands place. So you all know to represent the number on the abacus, isn't it? Have you all copied this, children? Very good. Then write the numbers. Fourth one, write the numbers represented by the abacus. Write the numbers represented by the abacus. Now we are going to write the number. Yes, shall we write the number now? So first one. So now we are going to count the beads in the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place. Shall we count the beads? Now tell me how many beads are there in the ones place. For some. 1, 2, 3. 3 in the ones place, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the tens place. Superb. Then how many beats are there in the hundreds place? Count and tell me now. 1, 2. Superb. 1, 2. Then how many beats are there in the thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now shall we write the number now? Yes, start from the thousands place. So 5, 2, 4, 3. 5, 2, 4, 3. Next one. Count how many beats are there in the ones place, tens, hundreds and thousands place. Now you have to tell me the answer now. Now how many beats are there in the ones place? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in the ones place. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the tens place. Very good. Then there is no beats in the hundreds place. So 0. Then how many beats are there in the thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many beats in the thousands place? 4. Shall we write the number now? 4, 0. As there is no beat, so 0, 5, 7. 4, 0, 5, 7. Shall we move on to the next one? Have you all copied this? Write the number names. Fifth one. Write the number names. I think you all know to write the number names, isn't it? Write the number names. First one. Copy this in your notebook, children. Don't forget. 3, 4, 6, 3. 3, 4, 6, 3. Tell me the number name for this number. Yes, very good. 3,000. 3,463. THREE 3,000. THOUSAND 3,400. FOUR 400. HUNDRED 463. SIXTY 63. THREE 63. As we have 3 in the thousands place, 4 in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place, right? So 3,463. Second one, 5, 4, 0, 9. 5, 4, 0, 9. 9 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Yes, shall we write the number name now? Yes, 5,409. 5,409. FIVE 5,000. THOUSAND 5,400. FOUR 400. HUNDRED 409. NINE 5,409. Third one, 6,999. 6,999. Tell me the number name for this. 9 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place and 6 in the thousands place. So 6,999. SIX 6,000. THOUSAND N-D 6,900. N-I-N-E 900. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 999. N-I-N-E-T-Y 99. N-I-N-E 6,999. Next one, fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. You're going to write how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones. Shall we write? First one, 4, 7, 8, 0. 4, 7, 8, 0. Now tell me, you're going to write how many thousands are there in the box. How many thousands? 4. Very good. So 4,000. 4. Write 4 inside the box. 4,000. Then how many hundreds? 7. So write 7. 700 plus how many tens? 8. Very good. 8 tens plus how many ones? 0 ones. So write 0 inside. 0 ones. 4,700 8 tens plus 0 ones. Have you all copied this? Second one, 9909. 9909. 9 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, and again 9 in the thousands place. Shall we write how many thousands are there now? Tell me. So 9,000. So write 9 inside the box. 9,000. 9th. 9,000 plus how many hundreds? 900. 900 plus how many tens? 0. So write 0. 0 tens plus how many ones? 9 ones. 9,000 plus 900 plus 0 tens plus 9 ones. Next, write the number names. Write the number names. Then write the numbers. You're going to write the numbers also. Write the number names. Then write the numbers. Then write the numbers. First one, 8th. What do you mean by th? 1000. 8th plus 600. 600 plus 5 tens. 5t. 5 tens plus 9 ones. 9 ones. Shall we write the number name first? Yes. 9,000. Sorry. 8,000. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 8,600. How many hundreds? 600, right? So S-I-X 600. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. How many tens? 5 tens. So 50. F-I-F-T-Y 59. N-I-N-E 8,659. Now tell me what number it is. 8659. Very good. Write the number also. 8659. Second one, 3th. 3,000 plus 5H. That means 500s plus 0T. 0 tens plus 3O. 3 ones. Now write the number name for this. So 3,000. 3,000. T-H-R-E-E. 3,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 3,500. F-I-V-E. 5. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 500. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3,503. 3. Now tell me what is the number? What number? 3503. 3503. Next one, write in the expanded form. You're going to write this number in the expanded form. Write in the expanded form. First one, 9869. 9869. What do you mean by expanded form? It is the sum of the place value of the digits, right? So 9 in the thousands place. So 9000 plus 8 in the hundreds place. So 800 plus 6 in the tens place. So 60 plus 9. 9000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 9. 9000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 9. Second one, 8053. Now 8 in the thousands place. So 8000 plus 0 plus 5 in the tens place. So 50. 50 plus 3. 8000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 3. So next one, write in the short form. Write in the short form. We are going to write in the short form. First one, 4000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 9. 4000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 9. What do you mean by short form? You are going to write the face value. So 4000 face value is 4. Then 300 face value is 3. Then for 10, 1, 9. 4, 3, 1, 9. 4, 3, 1, 9. Second one, 6000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 8. 6000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 8. Now tell me what is the short form of this number? Yes, 6098. 6098. Have you all copied this? Next one, write the place value and face value of the circled digit. Write the place value and face value of the circled digit. You are going to write the place value and face value of the circled digit. Shall we? First one, 9671. 9671. 1 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place and 9 in the thousands place. So you are going to write the place value and face value of 9. So what is the face value of 9? It is the value of the digit itself. So 9. Face value of 9 is 9. So write 9. Face value is 9. What is the place value? It is in thousands place. So 9 into 1000, 9000. So write 9000 in the place value. Place value 9000. Face value 9. Place value 9000. Second one, 9442. 9442. Now which number is circled? 4, right? So you're going to tell me what is the face value and place value of this number. 4, it is in which place? Tens place, right? What is the face value? 4. So write 4. Face value is 4. What is the place value? It is in tens place. So 4 into 10, 40. Place value 40. Face value is 4. Place value is 40. Now next one. Put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. Less than, greater than or equal to. Put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. First one, 9781. 9871. 9781. 9871. Compare the thousands place. So both we have 9. Now compare the hundreds place. 7, 8. 7 is less than 8, right? So 9781 is less than 9871. Second one, 80647065. 80647065. Both the numbers we have 4 digit. Now compare the thousands place. First number we have 8. Second number we have 7. 8 is greater than 7. Yes. So 8064 is greater than 7065. Third one, 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Both the numbers, all the digits are same. So what you have to put? Equal to sign. Very good. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Put equal to sign in between. Next one. 3 6 4 5. 3 6 4 5 9 8. 3645 98. See the number of digits. First number we have 4 digits. Second number we have 2 digits. The more the digits, greater the number. Yes. So 3645 is greater than 98. 3645 is greater than 98. Now your home assignment for you. First one, complete the following. 9234, 9235, 9236. You're going to write the next numbers. Second one, 5995, 5996. Third one, 2380, 2381, 2382. Question number 2, write the number names. Write the number names. First one, 9920, 9920. Second one, 7018, 7018. Third one, draw beads to represent the numbers on the abacus. Draw beads to represent the number on the abacus. So you're going to draw the beads on the abacus. First one, 2731, 2731. Second one, 7342, 7342. Question number 4. Write the number represented on the abacus. Write the number represented on the abacus. Now count the beads. Count the beads and write the number. First one you have to count, and second one count the beads and write the number below. Yes? Have you all counted? Write it later. Do this home assignments during your holidays. You can do during your holidays also. Next one, write in the expanded form. First one, 5899, 5899. Second one, 1827. Write this in expanded form. 1827. Question number 6, write in the short form. Write in the short form. 8000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 1. Second one, 5000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. Question number 7, write the place value and face value of the circle digit. So that is face value. 1885. So 5 is circled. Second one, 3980. 3980. So 8 is circled, right? 1885, 3980. Second one, so last one, put the correct sign. 237, 1201. 237, 1201. Second one, 5421, 5412. 5421, 5412. So you can do these assignments during your holidays. Practice well, children. Thank you.